To me, art making is actually the freedom to create in making the work itself with all your experiences. So I often make references to space, time, energy, the movement, and visualization of what it could be and what it can be. My name is Kumari Nahappan. I am a conceptual artist who has worked over a period of more than 3 decades in putting together paintings, sculptures, installations, and whatever comes my way. The seeds and pots, I look at them as containers of energy. Red is a color of power, and you often recognize the color before the form. So for Light Tonight, when I was actually conceptualizing this, I felt that maybe having one gigantic saga seed representing earth, nature, all this comes into play. When I make them larger than life or big and impactful, it is to show that actually nature is larger than us. To reimagine art is to make possible the impossible.